Number 2, quantity 15 minus 8 plus 3, 8, quantity of 4 divided by 2 times 3, blank. So the choices are A, 4, B, 3, C, 8, D, 2. Pag ganito yung question, so i-try nating solve yung sa loob ng parentheses. Okay, 15 minus 8. Okay, from PEMDAS, we have the rule add or subtract from left to right. Okay, 15 minus 8 is 7. This is 7 plus 3. So we have 10. So 10, 8. Then the next quantity, multiply or divide from left to right. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So mayroon tayong 10, 8, 6. So the next number would be 4. The correct answer for this question is letter A, 4.